Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use a Nano Banana and convert image to video with AI. What if you could turn a single image into a moving AI video in just a few clicks? And here I'm going to show you how you can do it using Nano Banana and a free AI video tool. So first, you can just create your image in Nano Banana. In here, I'm going to use it on the Google AI Studio. You can click on the Nano Banana in here, and I'm going to use this prompt. Cute anime girl walking in a city street cartoon style, soft colors, and the ratio is 16:9. So you can just tap on run and just wait until the image is generated. Okay, so here is the image. You can just download it first. Okay, so once it downloaded, you can just convert into video. You can use tools like Pika Labs, Runway, Kyber, or you can also just use the VO on Google AI Studio. So I'm going to use this VO feature, and I'm going to, for example, use this prompt. Okay, so here is the prompt that I'm going to use. Make the character blink and hair move with the wind with a smooth camera zoom in. Now we can just add an image to the prompt. So you can go to the upload image option and choose the image that you just generated using Nano Banana. Okay, now tap on run. And you can now just wait again until the video is finished. Okay, so now it's finished. You can just click on play video to see the result. As you guys can see, the image before now has moved into this cute animation video. Again, you can just download it, and you can add voice and music by using AI voice tools like Gemini, TTS, 11 Labs, or CapCut text to speech. You can also import it into CapCut, Canva, or Premiere to add captions, transition, and effects for polish. And that's it. You just learned how to use Nano Banana to create an image and then turn it into a video with AI. Super fun, super easy. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye!